let's start cooking. So I'm starting with the first round, what I cook in a MasterChef, the Bitter Melon Chutney. So already I have so many messages in Instagram and YouTube and my social media, give me the recipe, give me the recipe, and I promise I will come with the recipe with the video, how to cook and how it's done. So here we go now. So request is on board now. And so what I will do, just cut it very slightly, this one, and with a spoon we take out the seeds. This sometimes you find the red one, so don't worry, this is absolutely fine to use it. And sometimes you find the green one, so okay to use. Cut another one. This bitter melon chutney need to be very careful because this is very bitter, and we need to make a very good balance with the sour, salt, sugar. So need to be very careful. Let's turn this one on. We can add some oil.
Add it up. Okay, alright.
So in this chutney we don't need to cook everything very harshly. So this need to be make a soften. So just we need to make it soft. Doesn't need to have a color coming through. So now cumin, I add the cumin, garlic, and I add the bitter melon, and let's make a little bit softer of this bitter melon. As I say, we don't need to make brown or color brown. So just a little bit of ginger, and we can add salt now. So salt make you very easy to absorb and make it softer. And some raisins. So I'm adding raisins, sultana, or you can add the raisins to give a sweetness and give a body of that. So you have a sweetness. We don't add sugar. We use this one, and then we cook it together. And we're going to add for the sour. I'm going to use tamarind pulp for now. But Nepal, if you are watching from Nepal and if you want to use tamarind, if you don't have tamarind, we use a lapsi pulp, the lapsi puree as well. If you don't have that one, you can use lime juice or lemon juice for the out of that. So for the spicy, we already add the green chili, salt. For the sweetness, I add raisins, and then when you're going to blind, make it puree like a chutneys, then we're going to add tamarind pulp. So if you see, I have a ready-made tamarind pulp. If you have a seed one, the seeds one, you can soak the whole night, and then next day you just with the hand, with the gloves, and then we take it out and take it out everything that you have a tamarind pulp. So we're going to use that one, and then this will be almost cooking ready, the soft. Just so basically we don't need to cook through, just need to be make sure this is a soft, and cook it slowly. If you can cover it, you can cover it. So this chutney is very simple, very tasty, very healthy, and this is have so much health benefit out of that. This is a bitter. If you can make it juice, if you have a sugar, it's very good for the blood pressure. It's very good juice. It's a very bitter. So if you never had this one, the first time try a little bit, and then you will be used to. But super healthy, super health benefit have this vegetable. Very, very good for the diabetes and the high blood pressure. So you know Ayurveda from India and Nepal and Sanskrit. So they use in lots of Ayurvedic and Ayurveda things this bitter melon, bitter gourd. The name have a bitter gourd, bitter melon, and in Nepalese and Indian name is Karela. It's very, very, you can cook so many ways this one. So today Karela chutney we're making now. So on the show they call 5 flavor chutneys. So bitter, 5 taste of chutney. So you have a sweet, you have a bitter, you have a sour, you have a salty. Yeah. So already 5 flavor. So now ready to blend. So what I will do, I will blend it here, this one. For the green chili spicy, you can add up to you how you like and how you want it, how much spicy you want. For me, I like a little bit less spicy. I don't like that much hot. But if you really like hot, you can add the green chili. You have sweetness. And now I'm adding tamarind pulp. If you don't have a tamarind pulp, you can use the lime juice, lemon juice. Nepal, you can use the lapsi puree, lapsi juice. And then now you can see the chutney is ready. Just give a taste, and if you need anything, and we can add later. Hope you enjoy my making this chutney and Karela chutney, bitter melon chutney, star chutney, whatever you say. If you like my video and you really want to see the next video what I am coming with, so subscribe my channel, subscribe my social media, and wait for till next video and next episode. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you.